Finish the other two off. Ignore the source.
Big speed.
Pause.
Don't have it. Okay, never mind.
Why is it on me?
Because you're highest threat.
Done.
I'm off the edge.
Yep.
Nice.
Careful, don't fall, don't fall, don't
Oh.
fall.
Right, this,
Oh man.
Oh.
this is left, left, right. So right afterwards.
Can you raise them again?
Stars.
Right, rape these stars.
I'm in the same spot.
Ones, range, turn around now. Turn around. I want to
2
see all
seconds, I
range
don't
on
have
these
to do
range
it.
stars.
I'm trying to this now.
That's
Mark.
perfect.
No, careful, I have mark. Fuck, fuck.
Bloodlust?
Right,
Yeah.
bloodlust.
Fuck this shit!
I was too busy laughing at the ball, I walked straight back.
That's how easy this would be. This would have been a fucking good try. Fucking answer.
It was so good as well.
Fuck!
Making a real highlight out of that ball
Does
because
anybody remember
I saw
that?
it first hand and it was fucking glorious.
Do you
Fuck
know
my
what-
life!
Do you know what the funny thing is? He did the same thing on fucking Blackhand.